Hi, this is my review for the PS3 controller, the black version. This is like the standard color that comes with the PS3. It's very nice. It says DualShock Syaxis there on the back. This is where you would plug it in to the PS3 with this cable. It would plug in back here, like so. Okay, and then you would plug this USB cable into the PS3 to charge the PS3 or to charge the PS3 controller, or for the PS3 to recognize this controller goes with the system. So it doesn't just automatically recognize this. Once it plugs it in, it notices, okay, when you press this button here, this will turn on this can turn on the PS3, and then you see the lights go on. And then when it's plugged in, it'll say 1. It'll be controller 1, and then the PS3 will recognize this is controller 1 for this PS3. So sometimes you have to plug it back in. Like, I haven't used my PS3 in a while, so I'd have to plug this in for it to recognize it. Sometimes it stops recognizing it or something. So it happens sometimes. So it's just good to plug it in the first time if you haven't used it in a while, just in case and there's no issues. This is the L1 and L2 button, R1, R2 button. This is the D-pad, start and select button. Start and select button. These are another type of D-pad that you can use to move characters or press buttons. This is the L3 and the R3 button, and these are the square, X, circle, and triangle buttons for movements. So yeah, so that's pretty much all the buttons on the PS3 controller. This is the back of it. It's not very sturdy. I was gonna say, be very careful, like throwing it, or be very careful with this controller, because it can crack on you. It can break. This part can open up. So it's plastic. It's not very sturdy. It's not meant to be thrown and slammed against the wall or anything. So just be careful with it. Keep it safe. And yeah, they do last a long time, which is great. They've had this for years and it still works. I mean, sometimes some dust and things will get stuck between the buttons or this. You can get a little air blower that you would use for a computer, and you can just, clean the inside of it. Some people even open it up and then they clean it, but with just blowing some air, it really does the job. So hope that helped, and hope you check out the PS3 black controller.